Ubzalotak, Kanoik Pizzy. Today is Friday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Brevik Mission School is proud to present Husky of the Week, Clarice Olana. She's an active part of the classroom as an encouraging friend to her classmates. She works hard during class and always participates in learning discussions and projects with a positive attitude. Congratulations, Clarice, and I hope everyone congratulates you as they see you for being Husky of the Week. Hey everyone, welcome to day 5, our final day in the self-talk series. Over the past few days, we've learned a lot about self-talk, what it is, how to practice positive self-talk, how to use it in tough situations, and even how to help others with it. Today, we're going to put it all together so that you can take everything we've learned and use it in your daily life. Positive self-talk is a tool you can use in all kinds of situations, whether you're taking a test, playing sports, or even hanging out with your friends. Self-talk is there to help you stay confident, calm, and focused. And just like any skill, the more you practice, the better you get at it. Let's break it down one last time. Here are 3 key things to remember about self-talk. First, believe in yourself. Positive self-talk helps remind you of your strengths and abilities, even when things are hard. Second, stay positive. Catch those negative thoughts and flip them into something that helps instead of hurts. And third, support others. Positive self-talk isn't just for you. You can share it with friends and classmates to lift them up too. Think about how much better it feels to be in a classroom or with friends who lift each other up. When we all use positive self-talk, it creates a more supportive and kind environment where everyone feels more confident. So here's your final challenge of the week. Take everything you've learned this week and make it part of your everyday life. Whether it's believing in yourself, staying positive when things get tough, or helping others with positive self-talk, you've got the tools to make a big difference for yourself and those around you. Before we go, let's do one last circle up to reflect on everything we've learned. For grades K through 5, your question is, what's one positive thing you can say to yourself every morning to start your day off right? And for grades 6 through 12, your question is, how has practicing positive self-talk this week changed the way you approach challenges? How can you continue using it moving forward? This is a good place to pause, and with that said, I have some last words. I'm so proud of everything you've learned this week. Remember, positive self-talk is something you can use every day, and it will keep helping you as long as you practice. So keep believing in yourself, stay positive, and support others. You've got this.